Can you?
Here, Nathan,
help me?
I'll do it. Hold this.
Okay.
Hold this.
Hello guys, it's Nathan here. And today we are unboxing
I already told them that.
3 mini helmets that I collected on my road trip. We've got the Colts, the Bills, and right now we're doing the Hall of Fame, but it's upside down right now.
Oh.
Hey Mommy, can you help us? Mommy.
We don't need it now.
And so guys, I did win that game of Walker Assault yesterday. It was actually really hard. It's our little bunny. Hey, what up, little bunny?
I got it!
You did?
Well,
Not really.
I have one more to go.
Wow, Olivia, you're good at this. Oh, what's that pink blob on the screen? That's my thumb. Or my fingy.
Okay, I'll be right back.
And cut.
Hey!
I didn't cut. And now we go to a commercial break with my finger. And my thumb. And now my pinky. If it can get on screen. Okay, there we go. And now we're back. You get it?
Not yet.
Ugh. Got it?
Yeah.
Yay! Whoa.
Wait a minute, there's still a little
Oh,
thread.
you gotta be kidding me. Sorry if this video is getting boring, guys. But you guys want to go see my room? Yes? Okay. I hope you... Okay, will do. Okay, let's see.
Wait, there's still something in it.
Let me see. What?
Okay, that's it.
What?
Nothing. There's something.
I'll take that out. Now it's good.
Okay.
Okay, guys, look at this.
On to the second one.
Look at this.
Which is the Colts.
A Pro Football Hall of Fame mini helmet. Look at it.
And now we're unboxing Colts.
Yes, and now we are unboxing the Indianapolis Colts. So now I will go show you my room. It is about 11 o'clock in the morning, by the way. And my sister sleeps in my room, so this is her bed. And this is my bed. And when I went to Hershey Park, I got this guy. Did you know Hershey makes Jolly Ranchers? And I love Jolly Ranchers. I named him DJ Jolly. My sister, at the Bills game, my sister got Billy the Buffalo, the mascot. I got a mini. And at Hershey Park, my sister got a Hershey Kiss. And so, scanning.
Ta-da!
Okay, now here is the Colts. Here is the Indianapolis
I'm gonna go
Colts.
unbox that, Dylan.
Ta-da, look at it. I hate the Colts because I live in New England. The Colts are our rivals, if you don't know much about football. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Just on the other side, and boom. I'm gonna put this back.
Is that really still going?
Yeah, look.
Oh, wow.
And so look at the two helmets side by side. Brothers. So now,
Those
Oh,
are
look-
my bedroom.
look, there's my dog Mavis.
Peachy.
He's a whippet. And I know you're thinking, well, you might be thinking she's a Dalmatian, but she's actually a whippet.
Why would
And that thing, well, by her feet is, what's it called? Bop It. It's called Bop It. Do you guys want to see me play it? Okay, no, I can't. Oh, come back, Maymay. Okay, let's see if we can find Dido or Diva.
He doesn't live in center.
Okay,
Not the center,
which
the kitchen.
this one?
The kitchen.
Okay. Yeah, Diva likes to lay in the kitchen a lot. It's super cute. Where's Dido? Oh, hi, Diva. He is also a whippet. If you look straight into his eyes at the same time he's looking straight at you, he looks super cute. Didi! Didi! Didi, look at me. Aw, look how cute he looks. So cute. Hi, Maymay. Oh, look at Maymay. Oh, pretty baby. Oh, pretty baby. Maymay. Maymay. Say hi to the camera, Maymay. You done?
Almost. This one's taking longer.
Oh, hi, baby. Baby, say hi to the camera. Hi, audience. This is Mavis.
I just have one more.
We adopted Mavis from an animal shelter.
No, yeah.
Maymay, Maymay, Dida. Watch this. Maymay, Maymay. Go get it. Okay, she didn't do it, apparently. Who's it, Maymay? Didi, say hi to the camera. Oh, look how cute he is. Coming. And ta-da! Here is the Buffalo Bills state.
Download the boxes. I'll line them up when it's
Okay. Now, wait, can we stack these? Can
What
we
do you
try to
mean?
like stack them?
like this.
No, like a pyramid.
Oh.
And
Wait.
no, we can't.
Yeah, we
right?
can.
And look at all of them. That's the Bills. That's the Hall of Fame, and that's the Colts. And so
We actually went to the Hall of Fame and we got this one, and we went to the Indianapolis.
Lucas Oil Stadium
Yeah. And we got this,
at New Era Field,
and we
which is-
actually went to the game.
which is the new name for the Buffalo Bills Stadium. And ta-da! Look at them assembled together.
this one is laying on the Colts, and this
Okay,
one
just-
is just
okay.
standing up.
And so, guys, this is the end
Cut.
of the video. And subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And this
Tell
is...
your friends. It's an awesome channel.
Yes, please do. And this is the Nate Dog. Oh!